you know, like I say, life don't stop for no one, so you better keep grinding. Never did enough dollar. Watch the boys cause they try to make a collar. And if you want it, gotta give it. Don't be faking, motherfucker, gotta live. We build posters, tail lights on the roaster. Live like vulgar, the FBI posters. The fast cars, pack guns, no holsters. We act dumb, don't approach us. We hit the spot and stand on club sofas. So get the club owners, cause we the boss type. Mixed game, courtside, big chain, sporty ride. G for the Lord of Skies. It costs a session so you all can rise and pay homage to the board demise. So many niggas on my corner died. A marijuana high, I'm on you guys. And never mind that, my cash better find that. We do the mass work, kicked off cash search. Now with a paper at, man with a yayo at. She make you wait a cab with your baby laying at. Cause it's a cold war after war. Emblem on the cars, no horn on the Capricorn. The lotto, train to fight like custom model. I paint the night in them custom models. Racing in the street, ducking potholes. Who gives a fuck is the motto. The new sneakers, Blackberries, new beepers, and no tops on the two-seaters. The summertime give me croup fever. It's 4 inches for my shoe divas. You gon' get it cause my crew cheater. We take chances, flip label advances. 3-day stays at Atlantis, make way for the gangsters. 1,000 death to the cowards. You let them die, no flowers. I used to drive 4 hours. Switch with my man, had a supply worth of powder. He chumps with the power. But when it rain, man, you can't duck the showers. It's bird gang and you don't wanna fuck with ours.
Everybody talking about this bird gang money, and this shit is getting funny to me. Think you a fraud, but they will hit you with one of your knees. We switch up the cars, we switch up the bros, got the bitches saying, oh my God. We fucks with the stars, it's us against y'all, books at the bar, we oh so hard.
I got no manners, ignorant with choppy grammar. Where we living at the cops can stand us. And belligerent and packing hammers. And my constituents act bananas, cause they get hungry for gorilla talk. I'm talking beef, not a bit of pork. If you a soldier, go get your balls. We need to sit and talk before go further. More money, more murder. And we will pop at you on whoever you got with you. My Muslim niggas too hard. Cop jewels, new cars. Take guns to Jumar, trying to avoid a new charge. Now us along to that. And drop a bomb to that. It's war in these streets, no sleep. We insomniacs. You out your weight class, we eat you like break fast. The credit's all good, motherfucker, but I'm straight cash. Yeah. And I'm oh so Harlem, 15th, bang bang. You don't want no problems.
Everybody talking about this bird gang money, and this shit is getting funny to me. Think you a fraud, but they will hit you with one of your knees. We switch up the cars, we switch up the bros, got the bitches saying, oh my darling. We fucks with the stars, it's us against y'all, books at the bar, we oh so hard.
I'll be paranoid sometimes. I don't know where I'm a creep.
Over the top! niggas know about the dirty South. One time. Lord, forgive me for I've sinned over and over again, just to stay on top. I recall memories filled with sin over and over again, and again, and again, and again. Yo, when you hear talk of the South Side, you hear talk of the team. See niggas fear Prince and respected Preem. For all you slow motherfuckers, I'ma break it down iller. See, Preem was the businessman and Prince was the killer. Remember? He used to push the bulletproof BM, His hair get you seasick. I sat back and peep shit. The road was easy wider then. They didn't get blunted. Had the whole projects working for 50 or 500. As a youth, all I ever did was sell crack. I used to idolize Cat. Hurt me to my heart, yeah, that nigga snitched on Pat. How you go out like that? Rumors in the hood was just for snitching. I ain't believe that, Paul. He helped me cop my first year XR. Had the 4Runner, the Z, the 5 and the 3. Used to drive his truck through the hood, dragging jet skis from Gerald Wallace to Baby Wise. Don't be surprised at how freely I throw our names of guys who dealt with pies like LA and Wise. L got shot in the neck, then told us connect. Them niggas who shot him got him for 10 bricks. Fucking Dominicans turned around and gave him more bricks. Lord, forgive me for I've sinned over and over again, just to stay on top. I recall memories filled with sin over and over again.